We're outside of Aunt Sugar's house. And it's snowing. I don't know if you can see it on camera. But it's snowing. There you can see me. What are you doing, Maya?
Hanging the stuff. Go play in the stuff first.
There's the woods. Shabri wanted to go walk in, yeah, right? There's the other woods.
Go walk in these. It leads right up to
We're surrounded. There's our car. Okay, Naya, say bye.